Hello, guys. So today you are watching one another podcast and meet youth leader Mr. Pappu. So, Mr. Pappu, welcome to our podcast,
So,
and this is your welcome.
okay, thank you, thank you. I think first time I got any cup and I enjoy tea.
Okay, but Pappu, yeah, Pappu, I know because in this cup have black tea, and you are saying tea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, but at my home every person like tea. So this is a very good tea because every person drink this tea.
Okay, and you guys, so today we are talking about things like corruption. How corruption is beneficial for us. So meet Mr. Pappu, they just tell you all prawns, not cons, because prawns is really very beneficial.
So thank you for introducing. Thank you for giving me opportunity for I'm explaining how when I become a India PM.
And
So how to corruption help me India become as a Vishwaguru
yeah,
because of now every person, every student, every Indian citizen want to India become as a Vishwaguru. So first I will explain how corruption helps. You know about no any country available in world have no any corruption because of without corruption no any company no any country survive yeah world are also not survive because of god also creating corruption because of god always creating corruption like as a nowadays pollution so much pollution because of corruption because of god are not doing our work very well.
okay. So Mr. Pappu, you know, you are telling about God and you are just putting finger on God.
Yeah, I know very well because of I'm creating God and I know about this is our creation. So I'm God Lord. So that's why I'm saying anything about because I'm know about I'm creating God. So God is my child.
Okay, so Mr. Pappu, I really curious about to know how corruption is beneficial for our study.
Yes. First thing I will explain you why corruption is most important because of when you have a money. So why are you studying? Because of corruption because of if you have a money you can buy directly certificate directly a degree you don't need to go your for college and after that you can beat with your teacher and you abuse with your father lots of time you are facing so much difficulty but when you earn money then you put your money on by good degree so you can got any good job because of corruption if corruption is not happen then your life is destroyed.
Okay, so now you are explaining very well. So now just go into the another topic. Now the topic is construction. So now you are a youth leader, and let me know just about some politician also.
First thing I want to say if corruption happen then today and now India become a Vishwaguru because of nowadays no so much corruption happen so that's why India delay become a Vishwaguru. So I will give you one example like as a now you can read these things
Okay,
कि India become as a Vishwaguru. So it is only I have signed here, and after that I am declaring India become as a Vishwaguru because of corruption. Now everyone this sign note put on your pocket, and if anyone asking ki India is become a Vishwaguru, you can show me this proof.
Okay. So you are explaining in good manner, but you are talking prompts, right? Right away. So now we are getting into the one really interesting topic about construction related to park,
Yeah.
because you are curious about how to manage park and other things. You are just
So
telling about how to save and
because
earn
of
money.
yeah, I know about you say about ki when I got a chance to create any good park. So corruption how to help creating very big park and very big city, very good infrastructure. Because of when corruption not happen, then lots of labor working to build this park, yeah, this building, yeah, this city. But it corruption happen, so you no need to put any person become as a poor and as a labor, because of you only for got money and after then distribute in peoples. Why are you doing this sit of things key people are become as a poor and they doing labor job, and after that they creating good park, and then lots of people are or playing there. You are I'm creating now park map on, after that I'm submitting this thing on my Lok Sabha, and when budget is passed then I got money, and then I will distribute very beautiful picture about park every person at home, and they look every day, night, morning, everyone. So everyone easily to available that park, and also I'm distributing little bit money for every person. They celebrate party. So without, if not corruption happen, so every person are working on field, and after that after 2 3 year hard work then creating good park, and then this is a not beneficial because of every person are so lazy, they not got a park and not enjoying our life. So I think if corruption happen then everyone enjoy our life, because of every person see every day goods park picture.
Okay. So now we are understanding your thoughts. Your
So
thoughts is not good about future generation,
no,
because
no, this is
you are
not
just
good. This is a very bright future. India. One day India becomes a Vishwaguru, definitely. But with nowadays, I when I become as a leader of India, then definitely corruption is a very big movement for India. I
yeah.
am doing satyagrah for corruption. Ki every person our level doing corruption.
So
They not doing hard work, they doing smart work, they only for thinking and doing anything in our life.
okay. So now you no need to take this mic, because your thoughts is not so good for our future
Yeah,
generation.
this is your thought, but India is a secular country and every person have a uh, similar right. So that's why I this is my thought and your thought is another thought. So this is don't worry, but you know about I am a leader. So one day definitely I achieve my goal, and you are a poor person, you are a citizen. So you are only for doing thappa on every board.
And I got it.
I know
Why?
about your cat city.
Yeah, and I got it. Why you are jobless, and so that's why you choose youth leader because you are doing corruption.
No, no, because of this is a step. First you become a jobless, then after that you are doing crime, then after you are become a rapist, then you are become a good leader, and then people are afraid of your self. So then you are very famous in your area because of if you are doing hard work, you are doing studying everything, then no one even know you because of you are doing sick things.
So guys, we just got it. His leader thought, right? So now I just want to say one word to this leader. Just get out from here.
Don't worry, it is a stair of my success. First thing, first I know about lots of leader when fight, then they got this type of things.
Yeah. So thank you guys. We are watching this podcast and
Okay, so bye bye. Now Papu is here.
okay.